Today I'm gonna be rebuilding the Dallas Knights. We're not very good. This is horrendous. Front office. What Lance Horton to the trade block? Because I need someone actually good. I'll take this guy and other picks. Holy crap. Finally. I got someone not garbage. You have John Rahm. Yo, wait, this guy's low-key good. Alright. We are playing the Detroit Drift. Why my guy look like that, bro? I haven't played in a while, so I'm probably not gonna be very good. Why does this look like we're in Boston? Go, ball. Oh, Dave. Bing, bang. Isn't that the guy that I put on the trade block? Dang. Isn't that the guy I just traded for? How does he have a blue? Go! Oh, they. Holy crap. That's utter garbage. I guess we brought back Jason Kidd. Go. Oh. Dang. Bro. They don't miss. Dang. Nice. Yes. Go, Floyd. Holy crap, Floyd's fast. Floyd's not the best. He just does not have 2 3-pointers. Oh. Did you just give him that? Dang. Holy crap, Floyd. Yeah, that guy's insane. Rom's the guy I traded for. And he is insane. Like, watch. Oh my gosh. Oh, bro. Rom's insane. Like, watch this. Top of the key. Why is that so big? Oh my gosh. John. Oh. Oh. All day. That might have been the best trade I've ever done. Early, missed it. I blocked it too. Dang. My, oh. Starters. I understand it now. Rom's a guard. Evans Withers. Let's go. What? Oh. Put a hand up, young fella. Can't guard me. I'm just gonna eat up this clock until they found me. Pro's 3 points maxed out. I'm shooting this one from the logo. Aww. Let's go! We won! Golly, jaw. Oh, that's halftime. I thought that was the game. All day. Let's go. You can bring the ball up. No, not you. Get him back. Bang. You're getting traded, by the way. Jean, you're just fine. I might be able to put up a 40 piece. I might be able to put up a 40 piece. That's 21. Yo, Bam Adebayo is so tough. Holy crap. Bro, this guy's low-key cooking. I'm just not trying. Bruh. Bang. Can I call a timeout? No, I can't. I'm just running right by him. Why can I not call a timeout? Wait. Bruh. Dang. You suck, ref. Oh, Schroeder sucks. And he's bold. Oh, that was so close. No, I want to take my guy out. John Stein. There we go. Is that enough for him? Gosh, dang it. You're getting traded for baby food. What? I can't let this guy cook. You know what? So that guy just cannot shoot. You can't go back in here. I need you and John. Yo, it's 38-40. Yo, no way I lose this, right? Don't tell me I'm gonna be like the Spurs. Bang. I'm not like De'Aaron Fox. Sorry, De'Aaron Fox Glazer, if there is one. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Just because it really helps a lot, and it helps so I keep posting. I'm gonna shoot it from half. And I almost made it. Oh. Watch this game-winning block. No way. I suck at shooting free throws. Don't let him foul you. I might have missed that. Yeah. No way. Let's go! Knights in 5! Bro, that guy's tough. Career high in it. League record is 1 rebound. That's sad. Let's go. Come on, Minnesota. Oh, that's why. Minnesota won. Portland won. If you want to see these, I'll scroll. Boston Charms lost. Haha. Wait. We have to play Washington Agents. Front office. Inbox, nothing. I'll do one video a day. Well, we have a guy that's 72 and a 70. Where? This guy's so tough. Wait. Wait, how do you get free agents? Yeah. How do I get this guy? Holy crap, never mind. Years, but bruh. We want you. And then wait, this guy? No, I just got him. Oh, that's one and Joey Barber. He had a few. He's a center. And holy crap. I'm in for Floyd. Yeah. This seems stacked. Yeah, no. Come on, New York. And we'll give you alright, no, I'm not trading for that. I'll see you next video, and yeah. This is my roster. Joe Rom, you're pretty good. And then Ruben Baldwin. Garrett Onk, but like, yeah. See you next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and yeah.